All right, bro. So what do we have to do so far?
Remove this panel.
Bottom panel as well.
Remove the seat belt and line up. See where it fits.
That's it.
Yeah. See where it fits up here first, and then we'll figure out the bars.
Yeah, so you got to mock it up before you actually go ahead and mount it.
We're not going to just send it.
Yeah.
And hope it works. Bolt it all down and be backtracking.
Literally. Most of you hoes be setting track records and times with all this shit like this, by the way.
I mean, we could leave it like that.
Yeah, we could.
Yeah, we could leave it like that. But we're going to put panels back on.
Just to piss people off.
Yeah. We're still going to have panels. This comes out.
It weighs like 20 pounds.
This comes out, so it's going to still look nice. It's going to look like a complete truck.
Yes. Also, that top, what is that, a bracket on top?
Yeah.
That bracket comes off
This one.
for the seatbelt. And that bottom little motor comes off too for the seatbelt. Don't need them anymore, so we're going with the harnesses. Nice little plastic. Probably need that.
Nah. We'll see how that fits to the bar.
Yeah. It should fit just right though.
I was looking at how Rick's is set up. He has one good picture of it, but not really. Can't really see all of it.
Now that I think about it, I never replaced these speakers. I thought they were Infinity Kappas, but I only did Infinity Kappas on these hoes.
Yeah,
That's
in front.
Yeah.
How you like those?
Fucking love them. But what size that is, Paul?
Ooh, don't make me lie to the people, bro. Don't make me lie to the people.
So you gotta do this one by hand, unless you.
It's a T50.
It's a T50, right?
Yeah, it's a T50.
You gotta do this one by hand unless you got a half, right?
Yeah, my little one isn't enough.
Yeah. So you do it by hand, and then you can go ahead and pop it in there. It'll come off. So that's it for those seat belts. I'm never gonna use them again.
Nope.
So if anybody's interested in a whole, what is it, like a bench seat, I guess, in these motherfuckers, the express models?
Yeah, this one has a bench.
The bench seat with a seat belt, let me know. Get rid of it. Got no use for it. All right, so you go ahead and do the bottom one first, and you mock it up. You do have to take the speaker out, so you go ahead and reach under there and get in it. Get that hole in there. So we're just mocking it up right now. Then the top one goes. This is a longer bolt here. That's the top one. But you have to take the speaker out unless you want to go ahead and reach from here.
You have some really long arms.
Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to do it. Skinny and long.
What did he say?
Yep.
So yeah, do it in there. And that's it for now. Just mount it up. Just mock it up. Don't fucking tighten shit up, because you're gonna tighten shit up. Try to do this shit quick.
Yeah, because you still gotta do this.
Yes.
And that, you gotta have some kind of play.
Correct. All right, let's get to it.
All right. Tighten in a little bit.
Yeah, not right now though. Trying to make sure it fits in just right. We fucked up. We forgot to put the panel back on.
Hell yeah, we did.
Yeah, now it's gonna be more of a bitch to put the panel on and those fucking bolts, I guess. So we took one step backwards, but
Just a little bit.
it's back on. Panel. All right, once again, we did skip another step, which was the fucking panels again.
Lovely.
So,
Fucking lovely.
luckily we're pretty much already done, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Last one?
So what I noticed on this though, so that one lined up great.
Right?
This one, on the other hand, is not. So I am having to spin it
Just a
slightly.
little bit more.
Yeah, just to get this back.
The bottom bolt does have a nice set amount of washers. It's got what, 4? 2 thin ones, 2 thick ones?
Yeah.
So it definitely takes some wiggling.
Yeah, it takes some persuasion a little bit.
But overall, this kit, would you say,
yeah.
is a really nice bolt-on kit?
Yeah, it's nothing. As long as you remember to put the panels back on. Now, if you don't care,
Yeah, if you don't care, then you could just skip all that shit. You'll be done in.
Yeah, you'll be done in no time. We, kind of want the truck to look factory still.
Correct. Because it is. It still got speakers.
Still got all that stuff. Everything's still in there. Yes, as a whole. But to modify
This, yeah.
this, it's not saying it can't be done.
It can be done. You just got to modify, get the measurements right and all that. And I'm not about to do that.
I'm pretty sure maybe if we cut it somewhere here, you won't see it back there.
We ain't doing that.
We were going past that. This looks
race truck
good.
E.
This looks good, and then once he saves up some more money to get it painted.
Yeah, it'd be nice to get it powder coated. I want it red, obviously, but I'm gonna wait on it.
That would look really nice. At least let's go around. It's in here.
Yes.
And you know how it goes. We both know how it goes. Yeah. It's not.
So we would have probably taken less time if we knew exactly what to do. But for the most part, I think we did pretty good. Or Paul did pretty good, actually. He pretty much did most of the work. But
that's done. I already have that side.
Yeah, this side is pretty much in.
It just needs to. Everything just needs to be bolted down. I mean, tightened up. This is already tight in there, so we're done there. And that's
it.
That's it. Yeah, you
All right, YouTube, there it is. Finally finished, all done. They're on the other side. For this harness, we gotta do a hole on the bottom bracket for the seat. I'll go over there on that side. Yeah, this one doesn't have anywhere to mount it. So I don't know if Corbo makes it to where they mount theirs there, or I don't know how, but for this race equipped one, for sure, either make a tab, yeah, with the hole, or just go ahead and bolt up a hole in there. Drill hole. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so there she is, all installed up. My boy Paul's already taking off. Appreciate his fucking help. But yeah, there it is, guys. Set up real nicely. Like I said, I just need to go ahead and mount. Or I'm sorry, I need to go ahead and drill a hole here. That way I can go ahead and mount this side of the harness. There goes Paul. Special announcement. I am now an ambassador for Corbo Racing Seats. That being said, that is an awesome thing to be able to say. Corbo is a really prestige company in my opinion. I really love my Corbo seat. I just ordered a second passenger seat, so it's going to be installed here, obviously. This is the Forza seat. Let me just go ahead and show it to you guys real quick. This is the Corbo seat right here. I had the race equipped harness, but like I said, it's not bolted on yet. Anyway, yeah, this is a Forza racing seat, and it sits really nicely. It's really comfortable. I've driven 2 hours in it and back, so 4 hours total when I went to the racetrack and broke the record. This is the seat I was driving in. So needless to say, they make good quality seats, and they also make the correct bracket for your vehicle. So this bracket here in particular is for the Ram 1500, and it's for the driver's side. They make one for the passenger, so when I order my new seat, which is coming in, it's the seat obviously for the passenger side and the bracket for the passenger side for a Ram 1500, not for a Chevy, anything like that. But they have all makes and models. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they have all makes and models and years as well. So this is definitely a good company to go ahead and get your racing seats from. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for your Corbo seat, just go ahead and use my link. I'll go ahead and every time I post my pictures on my story, the link will be in the stories. You can go ahead and click, or go ahead and click it on my bio. Get your Corbo seat, guys. That's my reference code. I would greatly appreciate it. Corbo seats, shout out to them again. But that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little quick video. That way you guys can see how to install your harness bar for Ram 1500 if you do get it from Vanishing Point Fabrication. Absolutely amazing work, and needless to say, this guy knows exactly what he's doing. The most important thing, that it's a bolt-on kit, and you don't have to weld or nothing like that. All that is done by him. It's made here in the USA as well. Really good quality in your harness bar. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm Poor Man's RT, guys. I'm gonna see you on the next one.